Nakakabahala ang balitang ito. China naglagay na nga ba ng mine o bomba sa ilalim ng dagat ng Pilipinas? Kung totoo yan, sobrang nakakaalarma, diba? Naspatan kasi ang USS Pioneer sa West Philippine Sea, isang anti-mine countermeasure ship ng US Navy. Ang trabaho nito, magtanggal ng mine o bomba underwater. Pagka kasi nadaanan ng barko ng US Navy o Philippine Navy man yan, sabog talaga. Pero wala pa namang balita kung may na-detect na ngang mine bomb sa West Philippine Sea. O baka sadyang alerto lang ang Amerika. Aircraft carrier kasi ang nakasalalay pag sumabog yung barkong yan. Doble ingat lang siguro ang ginagawa nila. Sinasanay din kasi ng USS Nimitz Carrier Strike Group at Philippine Navy ang anti-submarine warfare. Madaming submarine ang China, baka mamaya nang dyan lang pala yan sa tabi-tabi. Mas mabuti ng handa kaysa yung gera na tsaka lang tayo kikilos.
There are different serials that we perform. The most common of that when we do MMCAs for the Philippine Navy ships is to be engaged in anti-submarine warfare. Yes, it is allowing the Philippine Navy and the AFP units involved to participate in a multinational task force at sea.
Dahil sa permanenteng deployment ng aircraft carrier sa Pilipinas, parte na ng operational approach ng AFP yan, ang US Navy. Ibig sabihin kung may ma-detect ang AFP kakaibang galaw ng China o sakaling magtambak sila, agad nare-responde ang Amerika. Hindi naman sa naghahanap tayo ng giyera. Gusto lang natin ay tahimik, bukas at malayang Indo-Pacific region. Tignan nyo ngayon, hindi nang bubuli ang China.
The MMCAs are considered now part of our operational approach to ensure that we have our presence and those of our partners and allies within our maritime domain. They help project that these countries are supporting our stand in ensuring that global commons will remain free and open.
Nagpapasalamat nga ang Philippine Navy sa walang sawang suporta ng Amerika at Japan. Lagi yan nakabantay. Mas lalo ang dadami ang barko ng Japan sa Pilipinas dahil nangako ang Prime Minister na si Takeichi na more robust at mas malakas na military deployment.
It is not every day that we have a carrier strike group, an aircraft carrier, USS Nimitz and her accompanying escort ships. This time we had the entire carrier battle group conducting a joint activity with the Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force and the Armed Forces of the Philippines. This allows us to be able to conduct operations with modern navies. Again, it is not every day that you see an entire carrier battle group within the Philippine maritime domain. We take advantage of opportunities like this to be able to train with our partners and allies.
Ang presensya ng USS Nimitz kasama ang Philippine Navy at Japanese Navy ay tinawag ng China ng tagasira ng kapayapaan. Paulit-ulit na nga ang speech ng China. Pag nandyan ang Amerika, sasabihin nila mababait sila tapos tayo ang nasasama. Laging biktima ang tingin ng China sa sarili nito.
Countries outside the region, including the US, put together small circles in the South China Sea, pursue confrontation in the name of cooperation, flex muscles in the name of freedom, create chaos in the name of order, and is the biggest source of risks for disrupting peace and stability in the South China Sea. China is committed to safeguarding its territorial sovereignty and maritime rights and interests, and working with regional countries to uphold peace and stability in the South China Sea. We urge relevant countries to stop forming groups and stirring up trouble in the South China Sea and stop hurting regional peace and stability.
Kayo, nagustuhan nyo ba ang paghahanda ng US Navy? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.